You must have heard of the quote, don't judge a book by its cover. And you will also have met it. You must have met this example to be wrong, because most of the times we are not defined by the way how our pages are, but we are defined by our cover, right? This is humanity. We do not accept the one who is not appearing at the first glance. We do not accept, we do not praise what is written in within that book, because we have actually declined and have stopped reading the books, the pages, what's inside a book. And also we have stopped understanding about the other person. We have started judging by the cover, right? So that is why in this life, in this modern life, when people are simple, not so advanced, like a middle class one, then the top one, the top class, always ignored, because they have just maintained a status. And this is not just one case. When it happens at the other time, when you have an interview, or you met someone in person, either it is your office or school or whatever, either it is your exams, then they expect that you shouldn't be the book, you should be the cover, because they need instant result. And that happens. And when you are not able to answer the things, you are not able to be the cover, the beautiful, the best cover, then you instantly lose your value, not for yourself but for them. So I think the lesson we are learning here is that society is like this, and if we are living in this society, we need to accept it, that yeah, if human is like this, that they are accepting not the moral values, but they are actually judging you from outside, then you do not need to change yourself entirely, because they are not looking at you. But at least if you can make your cover beautiful or elegant, whatever way you want to express yourself, you should try to do so. Because if a man or someone can make the book so better, so beautiful, then they can make